Hello viewers, please welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aropalli. Please subscribe, like, share your friends and enable your bell icon. When I upload my videos, you will receive the notification. Thank you for connecting the channel. So today, now we are going to discuss about count function. Excel functions count, count A and count blanks. So let's we go to discuss about this. So first of all, count why we are use. What is the benefit of this formula? Count the name itself. There is a meaning. Count the number of values. Count formula only count the numbers which you have selected. So this is my range. The count formula count the only which are numbers, not the text. So let's start the formula. The syntax, the mainly you understand syntax about the count is equal to count. Read the count the number of cells in a range that contains numbers, not the text. Already we discussed about this, right? So the first input is value 1. So there is the second one, value 2. Value 2 as square bracket. Square bracket means optional. If you want to select one more range, you can do. Otherwise, you can select only one range. Now we select this range. Right? So then close it. This is the syntax for the count. Just write the formula name count and open bracket. Then select the range whichever you want to count the numbers. Then close it. You get the result count. We selected both columns in this range, but we get only the numbers. So this is the use of formula. So if you want to select the only numbers, this is the right way in this column, in this table. Just we have separated values. Just again writing the same formula is equal to count and go to select the range, right? Close and enter. So we get the result count of numbered cells only, right? So I'm again writing with the different range is equal to count. This is our range. There is a combination of numbers and text. So definitely we choose the entire range. This time it is very helpful to count the numbers. Go and select the range. Close the bracket and hit enter. We will get the 12 numbered cells, the count. So this is the way to write and get the result count. Count formula syntax is just write the formula name count, open the bracket, then provide the input range, the range. So this is the simple formula count. What is the use of this count formula? Count formula will get the result of numbered cells which have selected range. That is the main concept of the formula. Count A. So this is the similar formula as count, but there is a different. We are adding A. A means you can assume that A means alpha. alpha is a text. The text count, we have combination of range, numbers and text. This time we want to only get the number of text cells, which range as contain only the text. That cells will count this formula. You can write formula equals to count A. See, the description counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. This is not considered empty cells. If you select the more than our range, or in between some blanks are there, it's omit that cells. This formula counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. You don't forget, it includes numbers and text. Count A. Again, I am telling you, this is count the numbered cells and text cells, both, but not blank cells. Try. The input is the same. You select the range, enter. So we get the result 24. Count A will get the all. We get the all non-blank cells. It means non-blank cells. So count A. So again, I am explaining to clear clarification. The count A function will count the numbers and text, excluding blank cells. So I'm writing one more additional. I'm adding some more ranges. Some more range equals to count A. So it is asking the syntax. The syntax is the same as count formula. Count A also required the input source range 1, the value 1, value 2. Value 2 is optional. This is always optional. If you want, you can give. This time we will give the multiple value ranges. So first you can select this one and hold control. I'm giving this one and hold control this one. So this time we provide the 3 values, the separated by comma. This is one range and this is one range and this is one range. We will get the 48. What is this 48? This 48 count of selected cells which contain the data. Right? I'm deleting some random text. So you observe the result will be changed. I deleted this text, it will reduce by 1. I am deleting this 8, it will come to the 46 because of these two are blank cells, right? I am deleting this many cells. You find this is 40. We have selected this much range, but there are some range blank cells. So it only counts the non-blank cells. This is also same, right? I think you very well aware of this formula, count A. Count A. So just I want to add some more text over here, the special characters. Special characters I will provide in this range. I'm entering here is hash and at the rate star and apostrophe ampersand. So we'll try the again. e- equal sign, count A, select the range. I am selecting this only, and you can use a comma or control, hold the control. I'm using this time comma and selecting this. So close bracket, hit the enter. 29 we have, these all are 5 and 24, it should be 29, right? The same as I'm writing. So I'm selecting with this range, and it is a count or non-count with this wildcard characters. I will try it. Special characters is equal to count formula, right? Count, and value 1 is this table for us, and value 2 should be this one. So actually the numbers, the expected result will be the 12, because of this is the text. These are also text, right? So that's the reason we are getting only 12. The count formula does not count the special characters. So blank cells, how to count the blank cells? Right now we will look into the next formula, count blanks. Count blanks itself, the meaning is count the number of blank cells in a selected range, or which we provided range, or multiple ranges. So equals to count blank. Count blank, it is asking, see the meaning, what should this count blank formula? Counts the number of empty cells in a specified range of cells. This formula get count only the blanks in the specified range only, not the other. Definitely it's a selected range, right? Specified means selected. So open the count blank, open the blank bracket. It is asking a range. So I'm selecting yes, this only. Yes, I'm deleting some cells. After this count, it will get 0, because there are no blank cells in our selection, right? So we get result as 0. I'm deleting some random numbers. So in our range, how many blanks are there? 3 only. This is the formula to get result blank cells. So you have to find which formula we can use. The situation, you have to find the situation when we use a count formula, when we use count A formula, and when we use count blank formula. Count formula, we use count the number of numbered cells only, which is specified range, that is right. So count A formula will count the numbers and text, the combination of both numbers, text, and special characters as well. So it's count whatever in the cells content, that is the count A formula. So count blank, it will count only the blank cells in the selected range, right? So you got one question. So we count the all the selected cells which have content cells, but I want to know the only the text content cells. The time you write one different formula, I will tell you how to count the numeric cells. Numeric cells only the formula is count. Count should be count the only numerics. I'm writing again to explain this question. We get only the numbered cells count. The time you can write the formula count. Select your range and close bracket. 11. This question answer is 11 because we have only these many 11 numeric cells, right? We write here only is equal count this thing 11. So 11, right? How to count second one. So second question, how to count text and numeric cells. This is the question is how to count a text and a numeric cells. Nothing but the special characters also text only. So right now we can write the formula count here definitely because combination of text and numbers, whichever the cell contains that data will get the result as count. It count special characters and text and numbers is equal to count A. So select the we write different one. Count A. Count A, you select this range, will get the result. Numbered cells and numeric cells, not blank cells. The count A does not count the blank cells, right? So how to count only text cells? Yeah, finally our question is there. How to count only text cells? We have discussed only three formulas. One is a count, that is a count only the numeric cells. The second one is a count A, it will count the whatever in the cell that will be the countable. So right, the third one, count blanks. It will count only the blank cells which in the range. So we need only the text cells we want to count. That's time you can write the formula equals to count A. So it will get the total non-blank cells. Count the non-blank cells, right? Next, minus count. So this will get the 10, right? These all are text cells. So 10. Finally we got the result. So the combination of count and count A function will get the only text cells, right? This is the formula to get only text cells. Then how to count the blank cells is equal to, already we discussed, count blank. Count blank should be get the input as range. There is a three blank cells in our range, right? Then how to count non-blank cells? Non-blank cells. Non-blank cells means it should be a count A formula only, not there is no other option. Is equal to count A. Count A will get the count non-blank cells in specified range. Yes, the syntax count A. The total is a 24. There is a 3 blank cells. Um, so it should be the 21. Thank you, friends, to view my channel. This video, please, if you feel as it's useful, please share to your friends and family members and neighbors. Please share to your WhatsApp groups. So we'll meet next video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.